For in this hope we were saved. But hope that is seen is no hope at all. Who hopes for what they already have? Paul was speaking about Abraham, how he didn't see the promise fulfilled, not acts, and how he believed in God no matter how bad things looked like. Chapter 4, but it could be chapter 5 that Paul continues his thought. It is Romans. There is 4, it's probably 24. I'll go for chapter 5, 24. It's not chapter 5, it could be chapter 2. Oh, chapter 8. So it's another place. Yep.